हं. एंटायर स्क्रीन काही बा थोडं काय पण याचं नाव काय दिलं? Amazon Athena. Okay, let's move on to Athena. Athena serverless query service that's allow you to query S3 data using a SQL without the managing infrastructure. Have you used Athena in your project? In my previous project, I use Amazon Athena to querying data directly from S3 without loading into database. After processing data using Glue and storing it in a Parquet format in the S3, I use Athena to run SQL queries for ad hoc analysis and reporting. The reduce uh, the needed for maintaining a separate database and improve cost efficiency. What are the key features of Athena? Athena provides feature like serverless SQL query, no infrastructure management, integration with S3, pay per query pricing, and support for standard SQL. It's also integrated with Glue data catalog for metadata management. How does Athena work? Athena uses schema on read approach, which it is which it's read data directly from S3 and applies schema at query time using the glue data catalog. It executes query using a distribute query engine and returns result quickly without storing data internally. What is a schema on read? Schema on read means the schema is applied when the query data rather than when storing it. In my project, this allowed flexibility to handle different type of data formats without the predefined schema during the ingestion. How do you optimize query performance in Athena? Performance optimize include using partition data, example, date-based, storing data into columnar format like a Parquet and ORC, avoid compression, snappy, avoid full table scan. This is a significantly reduce the query execution time and cost in my project. How is Athena priced? Athena follow a pay per query model, where cost is based on the amount of data scan. In my project, I optimize cost by reducing data scan using partition and efficient file formats. What is the role of Glue data catalog in Athena? Glue data catalog store metadata data such as a table definition and schema, which Athena used to query data in S3. In my project, I use Glue crawler to automatically update the catalog for Athena queries. What are the limitations of Athena? Some limitation including performance depending on the data organization, no suitable for a high frequency transactional queries, limited support for complex update. In my project, I use Athena mainly for analytical queries. How does Athena compare with Redshift? Athena is serverless and best for ad hoc queries, while Redshift is a data warehouse optimized for complex and high performance query. In my project, I use Athena for quick analysis and Redshift for reporting workloads. What challenges you have? What challenges have you faced with Athena, and how did you resolve them? One challenge was slow query performance due to unoptimized data, which I resolved by using partitioning and Parquet format. Another issue was high query cost. which I optimize by reducing data scan. I also faced um, schema issue, which I handle using glue crawler and proper catalog management. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much.